are going to do an experiment with Diet Coke and Mentos. Here we go. Don't go too close because it's going to fly way up. Oh, yeah.
I'm serious, it just like shoots out.
Wait, stop. Let me help.
You put it two, okay? No, guys, you have to do one person does all four. Wait, okay. You can't do two. Because my shoes are Ugg. Okay, go. Hurry up, you have to do them really fast. Fast? Yeah.
Wasted Diet Coke. You can't shake it, Katie. You said. Yeah, so we should ask her to do that.